has so many meanings today, so many voices telling me what beautiful is supposed to look like. As a woman, I will have bad hair days, makeup not on point, and a few extra unwanted pounds. It's reality. But it's been said that a beautiful woman uses her lips for truth, her voice for kindness, her ears for compassion, her hands for charity, and her heart for love. And for those who do not like her, she uses prayer. True beauty does start in the heart. And the good news is that even though I feel like a beautiful mess sometimes, God says that I'm beautiful. And so are you. So let's begin today by believing that, because after all, His voice is what truly matters. We can wake up one morning and things may not go as planned. It's frustrating and disappointing. And as a mom and wife, I can feel real defeated sometimes. But today, as I look out the window and I see a storm brewing, I remember how life has many storms. And storms come, trials come, and in the world that we're living in right now, it looks like a storm. How we see things changes everything. Before the world changed, I craved change. I was running ragged from tight schedules, commuting many hours daily, and pursuing activities that demanded my attention. I sought for a pause, a reset. I just kept telling myself, take it one day at a time. However, I knew time was wasting. And then suddenly the world stopped, and yet in a way, my world began. The change I craved fell into my lap. Although the circumstances around me felt chaotic, I knew God was doing a new thing in my life. The world changes, life changes, but God never changes. The change I have now is a good thing. It's an answer to prayer. I'm thankful for this time I have to be home, to be present in a time of trouble. I'm thankful to reclaim my day and redeem the time I've wasted. I'm thankful for flexibility and time to encourage and inspire others again. Especially, I'm thankful for time to rest in the presence of the Lord, for His mercies are new every morning. I love the sweet hymn that sings, "Great is thy faithfulness, morning by morning new mercies I see. And all I have needed, thy hand hath provided. Great is thy faithfulness, Lord, unto me." Did you know that an eagle flies above the storm and not through it? Success is flying above and conquering the storm. Because storms are unpredictable, and you don't know when they will come or how long they will last. But there is beauty after the storm. The sun appears again, a rainbow comes forth and shines through, the dirt is wet and fresh, the soil is fertile again. New growth. How exciting it is to see our trials in this light. With everything going on, I choose to stay in God's shelter and soak in His peace. Staying at home is a blessing. Being a homemaker is a blessing. I choose to look at this time in history as a form of relief instead of a time of restriction. Freedom is found within, and no one or nothing can take that away. And even though the storm has come, or it may be coming, A new day is dawning. The sun will come out tomorrow, but for today, I'm choosing to see the light.